Hi, this is Dr. Cox from Alpine Pediatrics here with an update on the COVID-19 virus. I'm sure you're hearing a lot about this, probably more than you want to know through television, radio, and social media. But I wanted to give you just an update from our practice and just let you know that things are going to be okay. So in the last couple of days, the World Health Organization termed this a pandemic. That just means that it's spread worldwide. And we knew that was coming, and so that doesn't mean that the virus is any more severe. But it is coming, and we'll likely see a lot more cases in Utah over the course of the next couple of months. So just plan on that likely happening. As far as your children, I think your children are safe. So based on all the research that we have so far from other countries hit by this virus, children don't seem to be very effective. They don't seem to have real severe illness from this. We really haven't seen much in the way of deaths in children either in other countries. So that's really good news. Please be aware that at Alpine Pediatrics, we have really planned for this event. So over the course of the last several weeks, we've worked hard to make sure that we're doing everything to keep your children safe in our care here. As such, this morning we changed the way that we see patients in that at Alpine Pediatrics we have 5 total clinics, and we're making one of those clinics specifically devoted to patients with respiratory symptoms, specifically patients who have fever with cough or runny nose and congestion. All of those patients will be seen at our Orem location. All other patients will be seen just as regular usual visits like well visits, med checks, and others will be seen at our other offices, including Pleasant Grove, Saratoga Springs, Traverse Mountain, and Lehigh. Will run completely as normal. It's just we're going to have all of our respiratory patients seen at the Orem office. So if you're a parent and you're wondering, should I bring my child in for a well visit? Are they safe to come in for a well visit? Know that we are limiting any exposure to any sick patients in our clinics. So if you're coming in for those well visits, your child will be safe. For those patients who go to our Orem office who have respiratory symptoms, including fever with cough and respiratory congestion, for those patients, we're going to check you in from your car, and then we'll come bring you directly to a room. So we're not going to have those patients sitting in the same waiting rooms out of a precaution of just wanting to make sure that they're not spreading to each other or to our office staff there. So it'll run a little bit differently than you're used to at that clinic. Now, for those of you who may not want to come into clinic but would like to have your child evaluated, we have telehealth capabilities where we can have you visit with a provider through telehealth, and that can handle such things as eye infections, rashes, or other things that we can deal just through a screen. So there are a lot of things that we can deal, including med checkups could also be done through telehealth. Again, let me reassure you that things are going to be okay, and please follow the instructions that are given by the Centers for Disease Control regarding social distancing. I think that will help to slow the spread of this virus and help to provide protection for those who are most vulnerable, which include specifically those who are 65 and older, and specifically those who are older and have chronic illnesses. Stay tuned. We'll continue to update you during this time period. Please also visit our website where we post frequently asked questions that we're receiving here. And we have 4 pages of frequently asked questions that provides really good information, usable information for you. Please visit our website to check that out. And we'll give you further updates in the days and weeks ahead.